All right, dudes. Since I don't like dealing, instead of selling this thing, I guess we're just gonna have to build it and then keep it. So that's my scam. I'm gonna build it and then tell people F you when they lowball me.
Fucking scammer.
Big scam. So
I didn't even know I was a scammer.
Yeah,
I know.
by association.
Yep.
So thanks for letting Blake know he's a scammer.
Thanks.
And you really opened my eyes. By the way, slow down on that meth pipe, bud. I mean, you're gonna burn your fingers. Your tongue's gonna get hot eventually, I think, if you keep smoking meth at the rate you are.
Not only that, if you ever call me a scammer to my face, I'll give you the blammer.
I'll hit you with the fucking hammers.
Sweet, dude.
Got your gear on? Sweet. Couldn't get the GoPro to attach to this because I'm pretty sure my kids lost a piece.
Lost the top end.
Yeah, yeah. Blew the top end out on it. So then we got this. That'll have to work. You keep it appropriate. 1983 model blown motor. We're gonna pull the motor out pretty much to accomplish that. This one's gonna be a little easier because it doesn't have the carburetor on it. That's all hooked up to the line and the gas tank and everything. But you got a motor mount here. You got a motor mount right down. You got to pull off this exhaust. And I want to say that just the chain, maybe the harness is plugged in back there still. Undo the chain, whole motor will be out, guys. So that can be accomplished in a matter of like, I don't know, what?
20 minutes.
5 minutes? I ain't got the drag of a mullet weighing me down. I'm super light on the back of my head.
You obviously don't know what a
I've got a way lighter back of the head than Blake does.
Crazy, dude. You don't know what a supercharger is. That's wow.
Wow. It's only got a few more chain removals left in it, though, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
If that.
There's the motor out, boys. Oh, this was already the clean side. How'd the bottom look?
No, that was nuh-uh.
We're testing some JB
clean.
Weld materials.
That
boys.
was not clean.
We're doing some JB Weld experiments on the motor mounts. Not bad. Fuck it, I'll pull that top end off. Let's take her in there. We'll hit her with the compressor. Tighten this bolt up a little bit so that I can get this chain by up in it. Alright. Okay. There's the head. Would you clear that piston? Damn, that's just muddy water. Or is that PB Blast? PB Blast, yeah.
Pretty scratched up.
Busted.
I could reuse this.
Oh. 99, 1,000. I'm just ripping off some Z50.
We saw you start from the, but whatever.
I'm editing the video.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like,
You're right.
I'll put this thing in a fucking torture rack right now if you think I won't do it. So the problem with this one is the motor was locked up. We fixed that. We got the motor all tore down. I'm on the fence about what to do. I don't know if I should go with the 88 kit and the $400 top end deal, or just throw a $100 top end on it. That's still a 50, because I'm not gonna ride it much anyways. But if I was gonna ride it, I'd definitely want more power. This ain't like the big wheels, it's not custom.
Oh yeah,
It's
you want
supposed
to do more
this ain't
more
this big
original.
wheel that I'm gonna be hucking. This one I want to make it look like it's original, new, and then probably keep it in the man cave. So it's an 83. We're talking full powder on the quartz, on the frame and on the forks. I'm gonna have to get a new seat because I just don't want to cover this. This tank's probably gonna go up for sale because I have another one that's pretty much brand new. I got some parts right here, some Honda OEM parts, some new shocks. A couple other little things. The rest of the top end that's in here.
Looks like good stuff.
A few good little. It's a few good stuff. It's some good.
And you
stuff.
see that? That came off a Banshee.
Yeah, those are Banshee sweats.
So it is gonna be
some of them
pretty
are
close to stock.
Yeah, stock. You guys will be able to see it all happen. So you guys seen us tear down this motor earlier in the video. You're gonna see us rebuild the motor. If you're wondering how to do it, I figure by the time I'm done, if I got 150 in this bike, by the time I'm done, I'm gonna have about $800 in it, $900, and it's gonna be fully restored though. Not like rider restored, but like I'm gonna try and make it hard for you to call me out on shit.
So you're not scamming this bike.
Well, that's what it was. My scam backfired, and now I gotta build it.
Yeah, because I'm not sure that that's a real Honda 50 frame.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
frame.
scam some money together though, guys. Hey, hit me on my fans only.
Oh, you're gonna start plugging my fans only finally?
Yeah, mullet fans only.
Hell
so
yeah!
It's rated.
It's
55.
Your mom loves my mullet 69.
I banged her .net.
So now you know. Be sure and like and subscribe. Hey, when you need one of these, hit me up. They'll keep you warm. Look, it's cold out here. It's keeping me super warm. We're gonna pull the wheels off of this, the tires, this tank. I'm gonna be selling this tank, guys. In good shape, boys. Got a little ding in it right down. Could be lined and 69.
And I can personally deliver the tank for triple the price.
Of cost of delivery.
Plus shipping and handling.
Yeah. We're gonna tear this down a little bit more, and we're actually gonna rebuild the motor and ride it before we commit to powder coat on it. So I've got a couple concerns about the bottom end of this motor.
I mean, it seems like it's gonna wheelie.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's so small, Blake. That looks so, like, I don't know, with the motor on it and the seat and shit and fenders, it looks a little bigger.
Yeah.
You couldn't even ride it.
Wow, thanks.
Thanks. But we do. Shouldn't, sorry. My turn on the Z50 build. 83. Gonna smack yours up. This kind of stuff David loses sleep over right here. It's BMX style, kicking it old school right here. Just gonna handle this. Wheels and tires coming off. A couple big wheels right there. Trying to make some room in here so we can work, guys. Did a lot of cleaning up outside too. Be sure to like and subscribe, you know. We got new pads coming and new tires, tubes. Gonna break these wheels in half or whatever and get them ready. We're gonna sandblast them and color match them.
Cut them in half.
Damn, my face a little dirty from working. I've been working, guys. This election's got me. Whew.
What election?
Erection. I still got it. Watch out.
Oh, shit.
So we're gonna yank these down. This is what I'm concerned about. Look at that. Better not lose that spring.
Yeah.
Plus that, Blake's gonna have to wrestle. That's like a bear trap he's gonna have to wrestle with to put the new brakes on it, dude. Next to the Code Orange Mountain Dew. It's having hell on these Z50 tires, so we made us a tire machine, boys. See if it's gonna work. Knock that bead off. I have the motor here. Because of some forest fires in California, there's a little bit of a delay on that top end. New fuel tank right here. Petcock. I have some fork boot covers. New shocks in here. I have the fender cover mount, some new fuel line. New carburetor I've got in. Some new Kenda. Or what kind of tires are these? I've used them before and I like them. Tubes there. So new tires and tubes. Got the new tank. So the chain and sprockets are gonna go on. And rebuild the top end, and once the motor's done, we're gonna ride it around a little bit, make sure we like it, and then we're gonna take it apart for powder coat and everything else. So that's where I'm at on this. I'm kind of in a holding pattern, waiting on parts to come in, waiting on brake pads, waiting on cables, fenders, new seat, some other stuff I'll show you guys. Most of it Amazon and eBayed it, so hate it or love it, whatever. I appreciate you guys. Be sure and subscribe, and drop me a comment down there if you got any ideas that'll help us out. Let me know. I hope you like the Z50 build. It's going to be awesome. We're going to get it finished up. I also have little I know a lot of you guys have asked to see the BW80 running, so I'm going to drop you a couple little videos right here, but I still need to post all the assembly videos. There's a lot of GoPros I got to go through, and then some riding videos, but I'm going to give you a little taste. This is done. I've been enjoying it, so I want you guys to be able to enjoy it too. Real quick, the other day I told him I was mixing a bike 50 to 1. He told me that's a lot of oil. I've told people in the past, hey, I got 20 to 1 in that Honda. Whoa, there's no oil in it. Let me make this real easy, guys. This number, this is a ratio. It's your fuel ratio. This number is the portions of gas. This number is the portions of oil. So when you see 50 to 1, that means 50 fists of gas for 1 fist of oil. Got it? When it's 20 to 1, it's 20 fists of gas for 1 fist of oil. That means there's a lot more oil in this mixture. So for 3 gallons of gas, you're going to have 3 parts of oil and only 60 of gas. But if you do 3 gallons of 50 to 1, you're going to have 150 part gas to 3 parts oil. So pay attention to this stuff, guys. 50 to 1. The first number is gas. Does it make any sense the other way? Imagine if it was 50 parts oil and 1 part gas.